Das ist mein Disco-Panzer mit der 40.000 Kilowatt Basskanon. Jetzt 20 Tonnen Panzer rollen mitten durch die Innenstadt. Mit der rechten
Are you
Hand
sure?
ein Bier in den linken Hand.
Memories here when I was a kid. Anyways, get out of the bus, kids. It's time to go camping.
Was the first president.
Yeah. Looks like this place is really cool. Huh. I hope I can jump rope with someone around here.
Alright, kids. First step of camping is to set up the fireplace. Now help me up, kids. Alright, all set. We got the campfire going. We really don't need any tents because we can sleep outside. Because nature is our happy place out here.
Well, are you sure? Because I'm kind of terrified of bears, you know, and other animals too. They could might kill me and stuff.
Oh, you back.
How is that sucker still alive?
I asked myself the same thing too. Up another firewood around.
All right, I got.
Oh, one more thing before I put out the bear traps in the forest. If you let that campfire go out or mess something up, that's gonna happen to your face really hard to make sure you be unconscious. Okay? So don't mess this